Today we're going to go to the home of K3TUF, Phil K3TUF, to operate the CQ Worldwide Amateur Radio Contest. Phil lives on top of what we call the Ephrata Mountain, which is just 800 feet high, but that is a mountain for us in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. So it's perfect for this contest where we try to contact as many countries as we can in the world. Antennas and towers such as this are a huge help in picking up stations from around the world. Phil's been working on this project for many years, as you can tell, and I'd like to ask him if he can give us a tour of all these antennas that he has set up here over the years. So give us a tour here of this tower, Phil.
This is a rotating tower. Starting antennas are from the bottom. The first antenna is a 6-meter beam on a 50-foot boom. Right above that we have the HF tri-bander, Cqww Cqww. Then 2 meters, 222, some 2 gig. Then we get to the dish. The dish is 5 and 10 gig. And right above that, at 140 feet, we have the 2-element 40-meter beam. Above that, we've got some more 1296, 902, 432 antennas, and a 24 gigahertz system. So this tower rotates, and we have everything from 40 meters all the way up to 24 gigahertz.
So that's the 150-foot tower, and then over here we have the other one.
This is an 80-foot tower with a pair of XP24s for 144 megahertz EME operation. I have some TV antennas there, some Link 2-meter antennas, and at 40 feet we have a Cqww A4S, which is our fixed south tri-bander. Of course, you asked me about my neighbor.
Oh, yes.
The neighbor, that's the Blue Ridge cable.
Here's John, K3QF, operating what is called the radio station. It's interesting, you don't see any radios on this operating console. We're using here all software-defined radios manufactured by the Flex Radio Company. So all you see here is some computers and computer monitors which drive the radios, which happen to be in another room. So this is the Flex radio that the computer works with, Phil.
That's right. So you can see it going in the transmit there. This is the run radio that we're using, 6700 and a 6300 for remotes. But they're both there. This is actually all set up for VHF and UHF as well. I use this multiple setup. I have a 2-meter here and then remote control that lets me use all this stuff when I'm in Florida.
Both radios have access to all the different antennas on the towers through this elaborate switching system.
Well, we have antennas coming in on this side and 2 radios on this side. So each antenna can go to one of 2 6-way switches for each of the radios. So radio comes in here, picks 40 meters, and at that time this other station can't have 40 meters, only one can have it at a time. So that's how it works. A little bit of logic here to get the antennas selected for each radio.
Both radios you run through this amplifier made by Flex. It's called the Power Genius XL. It's brand new. It's still not for sale for distribution anyhow. Phil's one of the lucky ones who's being used to test these amplifiers and give feedback to the company. So we were able to use it for the contest for the first time. Here's Dale, N3BNA with John, K3QF. operating. We're operating as a multi-single station, which means we can use a second radio for searching for multipliers in addition to our main running station, which John's running here. The contest starts for us here on the East Coast of the United States at 7 o'clock Friday evening and runs until 7 o'clock Sunday night. So we take turns keeping the radios going solid for all of those 48 hours, except for a couple hours maybe Sunday morning. Our score in this contest is the number of contacts that we have multiplied by the number of different countries or the number of different zones that we worked. So here our totals show that we worked 1,754 contacts on 6 different bands, multiplied by 419 countries and 120 zones for a total score of 2,664,816 points. So, since this is the bottom of the 11-year solar cycle, which tends to make long-distance radio propagation difficult, we feel pretty good about this effort. So, thanks for watching.